The dashboard lights are fading, the highway hums so low. I found your old cassette from a summer long ago. It slipped beneath the passenger seat beside me, with your handwriting still fading on the side. I pressed it in and heard our favorite slow jam, and suddenly you were sitting by my side. The rose was warm beneath the singer's whisper, and the clean guitar was shining through the haze. I remembered how you leaned into my shoulder while the city disappeared behind the rain. Funny how a little melody can open up a door to a love you thought was finished and make you want it more. I found a cassette you left in my car, and every song still knows who we are. Every chorus brings your body close, every slow beat brings back what I miss the most. I found the cassette you left in my car, and for a moment you don't feel so far. I can hear our old love in every line, playing like your heart is still next to mine. Play it again, ooh baby, one more time, bring you back to mine. There's a little crackle right before the second song, where you laughed and said this one was made for us. I had forgotten that you taped your voice between them. Now I'm holding every breath like something precious. The fretless bass moves gently through the speakers, and the soft backbeat keeps rolling with the road. Every mile becomes another little memory of the way your love once made the whole world glow. Maybe time can change the station, maybe years can change the sound, but the heart remembers everything when the right song comes around. I found the cassette you left in my car, and every song still knows who we are. Every chorus brings your body close, every slow beat brings back what I miss the most. I found the cassette you left in my car, and for a moment you don't feel so far. I can hear our old love in every line, playing like your heart is still next to mine. Stay in the song tenderly, tenderly. Let the music somewhere. No, there's still a little part of you here. Play it again, baby, don't let it end. Ooh, let that old melody take me back again. I hear your laughter between the lines, like your warm little heartbeat still keeping time with mine. Rewind and play it slow. Ooh, there's still so much loving in the songs we used to know. The highway fades, the tape turns slow, but your voice keeps playing everywhere I go. The cassette you left in my car. The terminal is quiet, the boards are glowing white. Your flight is almost boarding, and I'm running out of night. You're sitting by the window with your carry-on, watching runway lights disappear into the dawn. I can tell you've been pretending you're not nervous by the way your fingers keep folding the same page. The rose is warm beneath the distant speakers, while the clean guitar is breathing soft and slow. And every little announcement through the ceiling feels like one more reason I don't want you to go. We can talk about tomorrow, we can say we'll be alright, but there's something in this moment that won't let me say goodbye. At gate 27 before sunrise, I saw forever in your eyes. You held my hand like leaving hurt you more than either one could hide. At gate 27 before sunrise, every second felt too small. I didn't need another promise, I just didn't want to lose it all. Don't go yet, don't, baby, stay with me just a little more. The boarding line begins to move around us, and your name is somewhere waiting on the screen. You say this trip was planned before we found each other, before this love became the hardest thing to leave. The fretless bass moves gently under everything, and the soft backbeat is steady underneath. You place your forehead lightly against my shoulder, like you're trying to remember how my heartbeat feels. No dramatic conversation, no pretending we don't care. Just your hand inside my hand, and too much feeling in the air. At gate 27 before sunrise, I saw forever in your eyes. You held my hand like leaving hurt you more than either one could hide. At gate 27 before sunrise, every second felt too small. never leave a place. The runway glows, the morning rises, and somewhere past the glass, your plane becomes a line of light. Gate 27, before sunrise. The room is dressed in midnight, the rain is falling gray. I felt the silence change after you put the picture away. You slipped the frame inside the bottom drawer, like hiding it could make the feeling end. But your hand stayed there a little longer, like your heart still recognized an old friend. The rose is moving softly through the shadows, while the clean guitar replies in tender lines. And every little breath between our bodies says the love is still alive behind your eyes. You can close the drawer between us, you can turn the light away, but some memories keep breathing after you put the picture away. After you put the picture away, did your heart still see us together? After you put the picture away, did the room grow colder than ever? Every smile was still the truth, every touch refused to fade. You can hide the frame from view, but not the love we made. Still alive, ooh baby, still alive, still inside. Your coat is resting softly by the doorway, and your perfume moves like velvet through the room. You tell me time has taught you not to need me, but your eyes still hold the same familiar blue. The fretless bass moves gently underneath us, and the slow backbeat keeps time beneath your sighs. There are truths that become clearer after midnight, when the heart grows tired of wearing a disguise. Leave tomorrow by the window, leave the lonely years outside. There is still a love between us, waiting where the photograph once alive. Did your heart still see us together? After you put the picture away, did the room grow colder than ever? Every smile was still the truth, every touch refused to fade. You can hide the frame from view, but not the love we made. Come back softly, stay tonight. Let the memory move empty chair before me, and somehow I feel you still. We used to take this corner by the window, where the neon from the street would touch your face. You'd laugh and draw small circles on the tabletop, while I pretended time could never leave this place. The rose is warm beneath the low conversation, and the clean guitar is drifting soft and slow. I look across the table out of habit, like some part of me still thinks you're gonna show. I don't need another reason, I don't need to understand why the smallest empty spaces still remember where you said there's a seat across from me, and it still belongs to you. There's a seat across from me, where I still see what we knew. Every cup, every quiet light, every song brings back the truth. There's a seat across from me, and my heart still saves it for you. Across from me, ooh, baby, still your place, still your space. The waitress asked if someone else is coming, and I smile like I have heard that line before. I tell her no, I'm only here for coffee, but my eyes keep turning gently toward the door. The fretless bass moves softly through the evening, and the backbeat holds a slow and steady pace. There are memories that live inside a room forever, long after love has disappeared from view. Maybe time can change the menu, maybe walls can change their shade, but some corners keep a heartbeat from the love that used to stay. There's a seat across from me, and it still belongs to you. There's a seat across from me, where I still see what we knew. Every cup, every quiet light, every song brings back the truth. There's a seat across from me, and my heart still saves it for you. Come sit down tenderly, let the old love share this night with me. waiting there for you. The seat across from me. The hallway's almost silent. The clock is moving slow. I found your folded message where you thought I'd never know. It waited underneath the little room key, with your name written softly on the side. You said you couldn't leave without admitting there were feelings you were still too scared to hide. The roses warm beneath the late night silence, and the clean guitar is answering in blue. I read each line as slowly as you wrote it, like every word was pulling me back into you. You could leave without a warning, you could catch the morning train, but your handwriting kept telling me your heart had chose to stay. In the note beneath the room key, you said you never stopped loving me. In the note beneath the room key, you wrote the truth you couldn't speak. Every line was trembling, every word was bittersweet. You left the room before the sunrise, but you left your heart with me. Your heart with me. Ooh, baby, written down so tenderly. You wrote about the nights you almost called me, and the songs that always made you turn away. You said another love could never hold you like the way I held your secrets in this place. The fretless bass moves softly underneath me, and the slow backbeat is steady as I read. There are words that sound much louder on the paper when they're everything two lonely hearts still need. No rehearsed explanations, no excuses in disguise, just the kind of honest confession you could never say looking in my eyes. In the note beneath the room key, you said you never stopped loving me. In the note beneath the room key, you wrote the truth you couldn't speak. Every line was trembling, every word was bittersweet. You left the room before the sunrise, but you left your heart with me. Read it slowly, read it twice. Oh, every little word still feels alive. much too fragile for the truth. Maybe every little curve inside your handwriting was another way of reaching out to me and you. And at the bottom, underneath your signature, you wrote one final sentence, small and slow. If there is still a place inside your heart for me, leave the room key at the desk below. One small note, one last line, one room key between your heart and mine. No more guessing, no more pride. I can finally heal what you kept inside. In the note beneath the room key, ooh, you said you never stopped loving me. In the note beneath the room key, you wrote the truth you couldn't speak. Every line was trembling, every word was bittersweet. You left the room before the sunrise, but you left your heart with me. Beneath the room key, there was one more chance for you and me. So I walked down to the lobby with your letter pressed against me, and I placed that little key, ooh, where you said that it should be, hoping somewhere before morning you would come back looking for me. Come back, baby, the key is waiting there. Ooh, I read every word, and I know you still care. No more hiding, no more running away. Your little handwritten letter said everything you couldn't say. Come back slowly, I'll still be near. Ooh, leave your lonely heart and find me here. The lobby sleeps, the lights burn low, in the lonely heart, and find me here. The lobby sleeps, the lights burn low. The lobby sleeps, the lights burn low. The hallway's almost silent, the clock is moving slow. And I found your folded message where you thought I'd never know. It waited underneath the little room key with your name written softly on the side. The room is breathing softly, the record spins around. I found the photograph you once turned face down. It rested by the lamp beside the window, hidden underneath the letter tied in blue. I lifted it and saw us in the summer, before goodbye became the only thing we knew. The roses moving warmly through the silence, while the clean guitar responds in tender lines. Your smile still holds the promise of forever, and your hand is resting comfortably in mine. Maybe you could hide the picture, maybe you could hide the frame, turning love away from view could never make a change. In the photograph you turn face down, I can see the love we never lost. In the photograph you turn face down, I can feel we're leaving really caused. Every smile still tells the truth, every shadow brings you around. There is still a heart beside you. In the photograph you turn face down. Turn it over, ooh baby. Look again at the love we had. Your handwriting is fading on the border where you wrote that I would always be your home. I wonder if you read those words in secret on the nights you find it hard to sleep alone. The fractal space moves gently through the shadows, and the soft backbeat is steady underneath. There are memories that wait behind the surface, till the heart becomes courageous enough to see. Maybe time changed every detail, maybe pride erased the sound, but one look can bring it all back when the photograph turns around. In the photograph you turn face down, I can see the love we never lost. In the photograph you turn face down, I can feel we're leaving really caused. Every smile still tells the truth, every shadow brings you around. There is still a heart beside you. In the photograph you turn face down. Come back softly, stay tonight. Turn the memory into light. neither wants to go. You're looking through the windshield at the freeway, while the dashboard paints a soft light on your face. We've been driving without choosing any direction, like we're both afraid of reaching any place. The rose is warm beneath the late night station, and the clean guitar's floating through the air. Your fingers brush against mine by the gear shift, and suddenly there's too much feeling sitting there. We don't have to solve the ending, we don't have to name the start. Maybe all we really needed was a slow ride back to the heart. Take the slow ride back to my heart. No need to hurry through the dark. Let every mile undo the distance, let every silence make a spark. Take the slow ride back to my heart. Let the old love find where we are. No promises, no destination, just keep driving till we're close again. Slow ride, ooh baby, come back home, nice and slow. We passed the little exit where we first kissed, and you smiled before you even realized. You say I haven't been this way in forever, but the memory is shining in your eyes. The fretless bass moves softly through the speakers, and the backbeat rolls as steady as the road. I can feel the tension leaving from your shoulders, like your heart is